Fried potatoes are beloved worldwide and very popular in Japan. They are served not only in fast food establishments, but also in Western-style restaurants and even convenience stores. With just a few ingredients, you can make fresh fried potatoes right at home. First, we peel the potato. We think russet works the best for fried potatoes. For a large potato like this, cut in half crosswise and slice into half-inch thick. And cut into half-inch sticks, like that. And immediately soak them in water for about an hour. Strain and pat dry with paper towels or a towel to remove excess moisture well. We want the potato surface to be dry. Lightly coat the potatoes with the flour. We are using the all-purpose flour here. Add the potatoes to the deep frying oil when it's still cool. Cook over medium-low heat for 3 minutes without touching. We want to slow cook them as the oil heats up. When the surfaces of the potatoes become hard, stir and cook for another 3 minutes, stirring often. To finish up, turn up the heat to high and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Strain the potatoes from the oil and sprinkle salt and serve immediately. If you like, reduce the salt and add some furikake on top. Serve as a side dish, snack, or part of a main course. They are gonna disappear very quickly. Hope you give it a try.
美味しい。
美味しいね。